Ever had a conversation going perfectly, and then suddenly, nothing? Your brain has officially left the building. Here's how to never run out of things to say. 3 simple tricks. 1. Use their last words. They say, "I went to Spain last summer." You ask, "Spain? What was it like?" That's it. Stop searching your brain for a new topic. Use the one they just gave you. 2. Ask what, why, and how. What do you do? Why did you start? How did you learn that? Avoid questions with boring yes or no answers. Do you like traveling? Yes? Great. Conversation over. 3. Remember Ford. Family, occupation, recreation, dreams. 4 topics you can almost always fall back on. And most importantly, listen. If you're actually listening, people constantly give you new things to talk about. You don't need to be incredibly interesting. You need to be interested. Do that, and you'll rarely run out of things to say.